Follow the orbiting moon.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory. Fellow stargazer Marlene Hidalgo will join us to help you find your way around the sky. People really notice the planets when they're by the moon. They often ask me, what was that bright thing next to the moon last night?
It could be any number of planets or bright stars for that matter. From Earth, the moon appears near each planet about 1 day out of each month. And next week, the moon hops by 3, count them, 3 planets.
And along the way, we'll hop by a star or two. Let's show you. Okay, we're in the pre-dawn skies facing east-southeast on Sunday, December 9th. There's our old friend, the waning crescent moon, who will be heading to a new moon in a few short days. But what's that bright star next to the moon?
Well, I know we were talking planets earlier, but this star is actually a star. It's the blue giant called Spica in the constellation of Virgo the Virgin. But let's not get distracted. Although Spica is an amazing star, we're hunting planets.
Let's advance the sky 1 day to Monday, December 10th. The moon is shifted near another star of almost equal brightness to Spica, but this is the beautiful ringed planet Saturn.
To the naked eye, Saturn looks like an ordinary yellow star, but through a telescope, wow, what a view! You can see the rings and possibly Saturn's largest moon even in a backyard telescope.
The moon hopped over one of Jack Horkheimer's favorite stars to pronounce. Hey there, Zubin el-Janubi!
Hi, Zubin el-Janubi. We love you too, but this is a planet show and the moon is just down and to the right of a much more brilliant Venus. You'll get the classic sky view, the brightest planet next to a slim crescent moon. What could be better than that?
I'll tell you what, if you have a clear view to the horizon and no clouds, you might, just might, see the elusive planet Mercury down and to the left. Mercury never strays far from the sun, so we can only see him just before sunrise or just after sunset.
That means you'll have to spy speedy Mercury lickety-split before the glare of the sunrise washes him out.
So why does the moon seem to wander among the planets? Well, from Earth, the planets, sun, and moon seem to move across the background stars near this imaginary line we call the ecliptic. Marlene, show us the ecliptic from outer space.
Out here, we can look down at our solar system. When we speed up time, we can watch the planets revolve around the sun in nearly circular orbits. But in space, we need to think in 3 dimensions, so let's see the orbits from the side view. Wow! See how the orbits of the planets are almost all lined up? From Earth, the sun and planets all appear near this line. That's the ecliptic plane. When we extend the plane outward, that's where the constellations of the zodiac would be: Virgo, Libra, Scorpius, and the others. The moon orbits the Earth in nearly the same plane of space as the planets. It's tilted by about 5 degrees to the ecliptic, but it never strays far. So, as the moon orbits the Earth every month or so, it will appear near each planet and the sun 1 or 2 days each month. That's why we can see the moon near planets so often. And on those rarest of occasions, the orbit of the moon will bring it right in front of the sun, causing a total solar eclipse.
All this is happening while the Earth is moving around the sun, and the sun is moving around the galaxy, and the galaxy is moving through the universe.
Now, we'd love to show you all that, but the graphics department would just kill us. So be sure to look for the moon near the blue star Spica on the morning of December 9th.
The moon near ring Saturn and not too far from Zubin el-Janubi on December 10th.
And for the beautiful, classic early morning view, be sure to check out the slim crescent moon next to brilliant Venus on December 11th.
Keep looking up.